and welcome back to Amethyst Adventures with Courtney. In today's video, I'll be participating in another open collab. The title, Pinkspring/Easter Decor Challenge, hosted by Antionette of Decorating and Shelley of Pretty Inspired Decor, Sule of MystyleMycolours, and Tammy, Glam Queen of DIY. Fabulous decorating and design divas who are giving it up for the people on YouTube, honey. And you know what? I'm here for it. I even dressed for the occasion. We were tasked with decorating any area of our home in pink with a spring/Easter decor theme, and it may include a DIY. Now, I hope you enjoyed what I've put together for you today, and I hope it gives you inspiration to create a tablescape in your home. Please stop by our host channels and show them some love. Links will be in the description box below, along with a link to the playlists for this challenge. Stop by all of the ladies who've worked so hard and put together some beautiful areas in their home. Stop by and show them some love too. Now, without any further ado, I'm going to get right into it. Starting with a white lace tablecloth as my base. I'm going to add these mirrors. They were a DIY project purchased from Lowe's. There was a 6-pack for $20, and I simply blinged out the edge to give myself a mirrored charger. For our centerpiece cake plate stand, just to give me some height on the table. So I'll place that first. The next piece I'm going to add is this beautiful pink cookie jar. And the top has the little bunny on top. And I got that for $12.99 from Home Goods. And I'm going to use that as my vase. The next thing I'm going to place are some pink peonies, and I also added some stems that I got from the Dollar Tree just to give it a little extra something. To that floral arrangement, I am going to add these little pink bunnies. I'm going to randomly place those into our flower arrangement. Up some of this pink shredded paper, and I'm just going to add that around the base of our cake stand, and I'm going to use that as our grass. To that, I have pink and white speckled eggs that I got from Home Goods as well, and I'm going to add that around the base of our cake stand, and they're pink and white ones. So I'm going to alternate the pink with the white. And kind of tuck that right into the grass. To our cake plate, I am also going to add some pink marshmallow peeps because I love to have a sweet treat on my table. And I'm just going to randomly place those as well around on our cake plate. For our table setting, I am using a white dinner plate, and then on top of that I have some beautiful pink floral bowls. That was a thrift find. The next thing I'm going to add to our table is a beautiful pearl iridescent egg. And I've had this for many years. And I'm going to add that to our table on the other side. To that, I'm going to add these beautiful mercury glass candle holders. And for a little added touch, I also have some smaller silver candle holders that I've had for some time, and I'm just going to add some pink pillar candles to those. And this is just for decorative purposes. Our glassware. Also a thrift find. These are stemless champagne glasses, and they have the pink accent at the bottom. And I'm going to place those right on my charger to the right of our playset. And it's a little deeper pink than I used last time. Dollar Tree paper napkin, nothing fancy. And on top of that, I'm going to place a white napkin. Then I'm going to take both of the napkins because I want the pink on the outside when I fold it. And I'm going to take that and fold it on a diagonal, corner to corner. And fold that. And then I'm going to begin to roll from the bottom. 1, 2, 3. And let's do 4 rolls and give that a fold. We're going to flip it over on the other side, and then we're going to roll it from end to end. I'm going to start at one end, and I'm going to begin rolling. And if you notice, I'm holding the napkin down as I do this because I don't want it to become wrinkled or gathered anywhere. Just hold your napkin down and roll it from one side all the way to the other. When you get to the other side, I want you to take this in and simply tuck it right down into the top. And that should hold it in place. Once you've done that, I want you to take both of these sides and simply fold them outward. And I hope you can see okay what I've done there. And then when you flip it over on the other side, you have a beautiful pink and white rose. And there we have it in the middle of our bowl. And I'm going to place a rose on each bowl. And I think that gives a nice festive holiday look to our tablescape. And just to add a little extra touch, I'm going to add a little bit more of this pink grass to our table just to give it an extra dimension. Just a little bit around our eggs and around our cake plate. And then I'm going to come back in, and I just had a couple left over, and I'm going to add these additional eggs to our table. But I do like the pink carnation.